Attention all Chevrolet Camaro SS owners. If you're experiencing an unexpected clicking noise coming from the rear axles of your beloved ride, we have some exciting news for you. The culprit behind this perplexing issue lies in the clearance of the CV axles, which General Motors designed with a tad too much room for comfort. But fret not, we have just the fix you need. By installing shims on the CV axles, you can bid farewell to that irksome click that sneaks up on you when you accelerate. Allow us to introduce you to Technical Service Bulletin, TSB, numbers 9 through 495001D, the magical key to resolving this inconvenience. This TSB provides detailed instructions on how to properly install shims on your Camaro's CV axles, helping to eliminate the snapping noise once and for all. Unleash the true power of your Camaro SS.